Is this a non-competition M2? Man, that's disgusting. Welcome back, guys. We have a Dinan Resonator Delete for my OG M2. This is going to be my first sound mod to this car. Really excited to see how it turns out. Love how the stock exhaust sounds. The stock tone is great, but I just want the volume to increase a little bit. I have the valve controller, so I can control the valves when they're open and closed. It doesn't do much as the current setup is. Let's get started with this exhaust. I gotta move 2 cars off the lift, X5 out of the way, M5 down and out, and then put the M2 on the lift. Here's what we ended up with. Yep, it is a straight pipe, 2 clamps, and here are the instructions. But let's go see where this will sit. It looks like we're gonna cut from that weld on the resonator to a little dimple right there. And then this piece will just go right up in, slip over this end, slip over that end, and replace that resonator with a full 3-inch section. Let's get to it. And there we have it, Dinan Resonator Delete installed. It's a decently easy install. I'd say most people could do that. It definitely would be a little more tough doing it just on jacks or ramps. The lift makes it very easy. Sounds good. It kept that stock tone that I was after. It's just a little bit more grumbly lower down in the RPMs. Sounds that were there before are just enhanced by a little bit more. It didn't do anything crazy. I would say if you're not too worried about getting Dinan parts, you could just take it to an exhaust place and they'll just cut out your resonator and it would do basically the same thing. I will probably end up doing the Dinan axle back just for whenever I want more sound, but as of now, I'm not really looking to spend $1,800 on a axle back, but it would sound good. I'm really happy with the car. I have a few things that I want to do next to it. We'll see, but if you know, you know. One of the things that I have been a little bothered by about this car, hopefully that's within the next couple of months. We'll see that. Definitely still need some side skirts, something going on there. I want to play around with the rear end a little bit more, maybe try out a few different spoilers. Definitely need a diffuser, but this thing's coming along. I'll probably get tint back on in the summer. I'll do my typical 20% around and then 50 on the windshield. But yeah, overall, just let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all the YouTuber stuff. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you, and I will catch you guys in the next one.